I know we've been seeing this serum everywhere. Like, we've literally been seeing it on social media. Everybody's talking about it. Well, today is your lucky day. I am here to give you reasons or to validate this. Let me just give you a pure review of my use, like how it is, how it worked. Okay, just stick with me. Let me go into it. I don't want to talk too much, I don't want to do too much, but I'm just going to give you a rundown about this, explain it to you, explain what is in it, how it works, why it works, so you understand more and know whether you really need this serum, because it's everybody that needs it, to be very honest. All right, guys, stay tuned and stay with me. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's again Miriam. Like I said, we are here today to discuss about this Centella tone brightening serum. This has been making waves on social media, TikTok, Instagram. Yeah, people are talking, it's good, it's not good, everybody is debating. Some people say it worked for them, some people it didn't work for them. I don't see why it did not work for you, Sha. But like, let me know, jump and judge. But like, majorly, my own personal reviews, I use this for my face to clear my post acne marks. Like, I had marks before on my face. I'm going to put up a video so you could see how my face was before. And this was like this was my major treatment. And I'm going to give you the reasons why this was my major treatment, majorly because of the content, actually, because of the ingredients. And that is what I want to discuss with you guys, why it worked and what is in it that made it work. So yeah, what's in this that makes this work is the 4 major ingredients in it. I mean 5 major ingredients in it. 77% centella extracts, 4% tranexamic acid, 2% active form of vitamin C, which is 3-O-ethyl ascorbic acid, and madagascoid, which is the patented ingredients for skin 1004. So now, all these ingredients have their own singular function, but I find most of them do the same thing, but like they have the one where they are like highly specified. Do you understand? Now, Centella as a whole is like the major thing in this thing. Like, the main ingredient for this serum is the Centella, and Centella it's a herbal it's from herbal origin, from a plant. I think goji kola be something like that, from the Southeast Asia, be South Asia, but Asia, from Asian side, Asia. But that's where it's gotten from. It's extracted from it. You get this Centella now that is extracted. 77% of it is used to formulate this. What Centella does for you? The 1, Centella helps in wound healing. 2, Centella helps in prevention of bacterial accumulation on the skin, majorly because it contains triterpenoids. I know that most of us don't look at skincare from the angle of it being a medication, so like that's why I'm trying to like dissect this thing. The triterpenoid contained in Centella aids it in wound healing, and also helps it to potentiate its action when it comes to like preventing bacteria colonies formation. Like, literally it prevents bacterial infections. Do you understand? That's literally what it does. So apart from preventing bacterial infections on the skin, wound healing, it also helps in hydration, helps in hydrating, keeping the skin hydrated and locking moisture onto the skin. It helps in fading marks, and also Centella itself helps. I think acetic acid or something that is inside Centella, that Centella extract, when it's broken down to a whole lot of metabolites. That's what you guys don't get, because whether you like it or not, this is a medication. So I said that I didn't want to like go in depth so that you will not really get so confused. But like, yes, it's broken down to metabolites, and one of the metabolites now has this role it plays in melanin production. In melanin production, it helps in, it interrupts the activity of tyrokinase. There's one enzyme that helps in formation of melanin. So when it inhibits this enzyme now, it now inhibits formation of melanin normally. So like, to prevent hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or PIH, this thing. I don't know whether you guys are getting my point. I feel like nobody's getting my point. because I'm trying so hard to break this thing down that it is not so pharmaceutical and it's in layman's understanding. But yeah, the contents are actually what makes it work. Do you understand? And the fact that the contents have synergistic action with each other, so they tend to like potentiate each other's effects. Now, apart from the centella, now, enough from the centella. Apart from the centella, the niacinamide there now also helps in repairing acid mantle. It helps with hydrating your moisture. It helps in boosting your skin texture. It helps in tone brightening. It also prevents transfer of melanin cells to the skin cells. I don't know whether you get transfer melanin to skin cells. So, like in other words, it helps for to prevent hyperpigmentation and for treating it as well. Also, Centella helps in skin elasticity. That's one of the things I love about it. So it's very good for anti-aging because it helps with skin elasticity. So when it helps with skin elasticity plus the hydration, it now helps in removing fine lines. So aside from this, there's also tranexamic acid. Tranexamic acid is like very nice, but it is used in low concentration, so it's not too much for you to get, because it's one of the ingredients that I can see, like when it comes to like metabolizing it, if it's too much, it can actually show on your it can cause renal toxicity when it's too much, because all these things are still going to be processed by your system, whether you like it or not. So the tranexamic acid in these too prevents conversion of uh, melanocyte to keratocyte. Yeah, it inhibits melanin production. Do you understand? The tranexamic acid also helps in hydration, helps in brightening. Like literally, the ingredients they use, what they just did, they just brought small ingredients that do similar things with just little alteration between each other, combined it together, and these ingredients like they have synergistic action. Like synergistic action is when you combine two drugs together and both of them give twofold of the action they should have given alone. I don't know whether you understand me. Addictive result is like when me say drug A is going to give me result of 20, drug B is going to give me result of 20. When I combine it together and both of them give me result of 40, now I will say that their effect gave me an addictive uh, action. I don't know whether you get me. But like when both of them in combination gives me like 80% of results, I will now say, okay, they have a synergistic effect. That's what it's called. So like synergistic effects are when it gives me more than when combined together. I don't know whether I'm making sense now, but I'm trying to explain this pharmacy in layman's understanding. But yeah, three of them have all five of them have synergistic action. That is why they are combined. Now, the particular vitamin C they use here is like the most stable form of vitamin C, the 3O ascorbic acid. That's the most stable form of vitamin C, and that's what they use here. And they made it in the sense that it doesn't irritate your skin. You get. Also, this was made with it is paraben free, it is fragrance free, it is sulfate free, it is harsh alcohol free. Now, all these things that they didn't include here, all these things that are not here now, are things that people normally react to. These are things that normally cause irritations on the skin. There are some people that you see when they use a niacinamide, they have irritation. Check the ingredients, because one of the things we don't do as uh let me just say as let me not say millennials. In fact, people don't check what they use. In fact, as Nigerians, I'm trying not to like be talking about Nigerians like, but we don't check what we use. We don't even check. We just say, okay, it's beauty, it's beauty. No, it's not like that. These are medications. You have to check what is in it. How was it formulated? What's the excipient in it? What was it bulked with? So you know whether you react to the thing or not. So most of the things they didn't put are things that people react to. Then there's this, I've forgotten the name of the technology they use for this thing. There's this particular technology they use in making this thing. Like this formula, these small bubbles you're seeing inside it now. What is encapsulated inside is the major active ingredients is what you see that is inside here. And it's made like that in the sense that when you put it on your skin, you're not expected to like rub it on your hand when applying it. You just pat it in, don't over rub it, because on application, small patting in, these balls are meant to like dissolve into the skin. Do you understand? That's the essence. Now, these active ingredients now, but the vitamin C, all of them are encapsulated in that small pebbles you're seeing now. And that is how it's meant to work, so that the stability is not affected in any way. this is a mild, let me say it's a mild bunch. In fact, like, it's made for sensitive skin, made for people that are treating hyperpigmentation, post-acne mark, eczema, even psoriasis. Somebody with psoriasis can actually use it because they can use it and be treating their this thing as well. So it's very mild, and the centella they used in it is actually very, very brilliant. And also remember that they use, apart from centella, they use madagascoid. Now madagascoid now is gotten from centella, but now madagascoid is like the most active form of centella. Now they use centella extracts and still got madagascoid separately, the most active form, and added to it. I think that's like the major ingredients in this thing. Okay, then added centella extract to it as well. The vitamin C to give antioxidant effect, reduce oxidative stress, and all those other ones. The tranexamic acid as well. The niacinamide as well. Remember, the niacinamide they use here is 4%. I used to always tell people, when you're doing treatment, although, like, let me say the maximum niacinamide you should do is, please, should be 10%. But before you do 10%, if you have serious skin condition, like you have like serious skin condition, let me say acne prone skin, don't do 10%, please. Do the basic 5% is okay for treatment. It's okay for you. You don't have anything going to 10-15% for any reason. This is me being serious with you guys. Now 10%, I'll say, okay, people with melasma, people with hyperpigmentation, they can choose to go for this to get, because they really, really need it. But when it comes to acne prone skin, please just do 4-5%. When it comes to no skin condition, say do 2% niacinamide, you're good to go. Like, you don't have a problem. It's not like, because all these things your system has to process it. So yeah, I don't want to digress a lot. In other words, this ampoule actually works. It worked for me, like I said, and this is what it contains, and this is how it works. Now, because all of them do similar, they do almost the same thing, so they work together hand in hand, and they now give potentiated effect. Like, there's now enhanced brightening, there is enhanced hydration, there is enhanced oxidative reduction in antioxidant effects, sorry, there is enhanced skin elasticity, enhanced skin hydration. Like, do you understand? So like everything is now enhanced. Like, the combination of four of them now gave that synergistic action I'm talking about. Now, if you want to buy this to use, it's for all skin types. It is for all skin types: oily skin, dry skin, acne prone skin, normal skin, because it is mild and gentle. Even for those with atopic dermatitis, it is okay for them because it is produced majorly for targeted therapy or for daily use. So this, I will give a thumbs up. So if I've been able to help you, and if you reach this place, kindly give me a thumbs up, and feel free to comment any of your skincare products you want me to like do a research on, run a review on, probably do a skin test on myself or any of my friends, and know if it really does what it says it does. And please, if you want to get any of your skincare products, do not get from your regular roadside stores or go to trade fair or go to Instagram shops. No, meet a pharmacist, meet a dermatologist. They are in the best position to recommend skincare products for you. And a pharmacist, most likely, I will advise, because at least she will understand the formulation, how it is formulated, and the possible effects. Yeah, every ingredient used to produce this is excreted renally or or through feces. I think the tranexamic is the one excreted via feces, and the rest are excreted via urine. And because of the low percentage in it, it is not up to the quantity that will have an effect on your organs. You get, it doesn't even reach that extent at all, which is why mild skincare is like the best. Okay guys, this is the end of my video. Please give me a thumbs up. I'm waiting for your comments. I'm so tired, I need to go and sleep. I love you guys. Bye.